So now we'll be discussing a very basic concept, that is LCM, lowest common multiple. So we have to find the LCM of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. So students, generally we tend to write that LCM, since we know that LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So students tend to write LCM of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 as 1 by 6. But that is wrong. Lowest common multiple, LCM is the least common multiple. That is, when we will write table of 2 and 3 over here, the first multiple which we obtain in the table is the LCM. Therefore, when we write table of 2 and 3, we get 2 into 1, that is 2. Then 2 into 2, that is 4. 2 into 3, that is 6. And the same we start writing for 3, that is 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, that is 6. So lowest common multiple was 6 over here. So same we are going to do over here in 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. 1 by 6 is not the right answer. Let us see that. So if you write table of 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2, that is 1. And if you write the same table for 1 by 3, it is 1 by 3 into 1, that is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 2, that is 2 by 3. And now 1 by 3 into 3, that would be 1. So the first common multiple which you obtain over here is 1. Therefore, the LCM for this is 1. Students, this concept is very much required in periodic functions. So this is the gist of it. For more video, you can see the playlist, that is periodic functions.